Arapaima Gigas. Arapaima Gigas is a team from the north of Brazil. The Amazon region is characterized by the large amounts of cargo and passenger movement by waterways, being Manaus Tefé in the state of Amazonas one of the main transport routes, which also includes the cities of Manacapuru, Codajás, and Coari. In this way, the project of a fast rural pax ferry was elaborated, which contemplates the referred cities, minimizing the displacement time of people and products between them. The main dimensions of the ferry: it's the length overall of 50 meters, length between perpendiculars of approximately 49 meters, maximum beam of 10 meters and 10.375 meters, beam at waterline 10.357 meters, draft of 1.95 meters, and a track length of 12 meters and track width of 5 meters. And the material used was aluminium. Deck arrangements. Main deck and deck A. This is an area reserved for 9 small trucks and loads distributed on pallets that can also be used to transport cars, motorcycles, and or bicycles. The Deck A consists of a restaurant and designated for selective collection. Decks B and C. Deck B. It's provided with inox brackets in its roof, so 105 people could travel in their own way hammocks. The layout includes benches with lockers integrated, in addition to 2 luggage rooms, with 5 square meters altogether. Tarps are provided along the deck length to protect passengers against rain. Fans are strategically positioned in some areas of the deck due to the high temperatures in the region. Deck C. Air-conditioned space with larger windows for a great view of the river. The 195 seats are premium economy class type, reclinable to near flat. 12 of these seats are available for people with special needs located near to the bathroom and emergency exits. The layout includes benches situated in an open space, in case some passengers want to feel the fresh air during the trip. The control cabin is also located on this deck. Bottom and compass deck. Compass deck. Photovoltaic panels positioned on the last deck of the boat will be used to generate electricity. In order to increase the efficiency of these panels, a cooling system will be used with 1-inch PVC tubes that will irrigate the panels through small holes, allowing a continuous flow of water. The system will have a water reuse system with gutters and a small water tank dedicated for the system. The bottom deck, reserved for the engine room, tanks, loading rooms for extra cargo, almost all electrical equipment and vessel control machinery, storage tank for sanitary, all related wastes, almost to the point of treatment, and cold chambers for storage of fish. Accessibilities. Space for passenger circulation are organized with Norman 2 rails for habitability, just as the number of toilets, ensuring a comfort and safe travel. There is also an elevator that crosses all the floors to allow access for passengers with special needs and disabilities, capacity for a wheelchair user or 2 or 3 people. Moreover, a tactile floor was placed to help visually impaired and blindness people. Satellite internet connection is available too. Life-saving planes. The arrangements of life-saving and firefighting equipment agreed and were organized according to Normandos to be accessible to any passenger in case of emergency. Includes dinghies, life jackets, extinguishers, and fire outlets and fire hoses, escape routes, and emergency exits. Thinking about environmental protection and the change of habits of the boats in the region, solar certified life rafts were used. COVID-19 adaptations. Preventive measures against COVID were considered, including food operated in gel dispensers, safe distance between hammocks and curtains in the middle of seats and hammocks. A disinfection area and main deck was placed to be used on boarding and disembarking passengers. Refrigerated areas will have an air conditioning system with ultraviolet light that has an antimicrobial action. One of the main reasons for travel in these routes is health. In order to meet this necessity, a ward was placed with good accessibility for both passenger decks at deck C and can be used for possible patient transportation during the COVID-19 pandemic. Engine selection. The propulsion sets. Engine selection. All right. The propulsion sets will have 2 main engines of 1,450 kilowatts each and fixed pitch propellers. The innovation in Amazon inland waters consists of using engines with dual fuel technology, both natural gas, LNG, and diesel, significantly increasing the acquisition cost of the vessel, but considerably reducing the operational costs. The LNG refueling stations are located in the municipalities of Coari, Amazonas, and Codajás. The wake waves generated by the vessel with the estimated speeds according to the criteria of the region is acceptable. The engine chosen was a Wärtsilä SL2DF. Here you can see the wave generated by the vessel. So, weight distribution. In order to simplify the estimate of light weight, it was divided into components: hull structure and superstructure, propulsion and machinery, outfitting, ramp and auxiliary machinery and systems. Here you can see its distribution. Structure Mindship section. The structure plans for the vessel were developed in accordance with American Bureau of Shipping ABS rules for building and classing high-speed crafts in order to achieve a more conservative and safer project. For the calculation of bending moments and shear force, the vessel's lightweight and the fully loaded vessel were considered. After calculation, the modulus of midsection, a section modulus of 420,000.7 approximately cubic centimeters was obtained. Therefore, the tension for the loaded vessel is calculated as 293.6 tons per square meter. Stability analysis. Intact stability. From the data presented, it's observed that the criteria requested by Norman Dosch were accepted, as shown in the following table. Stability in damage. The criteria for vessels in general, the vessel meets 4 of 5 criteria. Only a criteria of stability damage to the vessel does not meet the requirement. A solution to this is a more tenuous way, is increase the size of vessel's berth. For cost estimation, local companies were a priority during press survey. The average travel fee between Manaus and Tefé for slow boats is approximately $29.7 US. For this ferry, it was estimated to be 25.23. The vessel pays for itself in 2 years. Thank you.